a quick... Next up, I would pop on a tiny bit of so next up I would pop on a tiny bit of highlighter. Hey, it's loud. Accident. I don't makeup. So, and I'm just gonna squeeze some out. Okay, 6 hours. Macy, Evie. I will be wearing my makeup for about 6 hours. Macy, stop. Chit chat, get it ready with me. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. But yeah. So unfortunately this time, so button jumper. Macy! Where's Daddy? I've spilled it everywhere. It's the Reset Locatine on Friday and sorry. Alright, I need you to hop out of my camera for a minute and just be quiet for 2 minutes while I quickly do my intro and outro. To Pure Lottie. I need to fix my brows up a little bit. They look a bit funny. A kitchen table, dining table, a Colourpop. The called the what is it? The starts with P. Just pop the so if you're and if you are new, don't okay, I'm going to jump into Vibes. It's this blue.
Are you really gonna jump into it? You're not just gonna put it on your little paintbrush and put it on your face?
Okay, so next color. Stop, let me talk. Next color I'm going to use is Vibes.
That one too.
Can you just let me talk? It's like this one fucking sentence. Okay, so next color I'm jumping into is Vibes. It's this top right. No. $1,000 bag. Is that code? No, I don't. The volume 4, 5. I'm not too sure. There's quite a few of them. What's VII?
What?
What's VII? In Roman numerals.
Oh,
Seven? Jesus.
yeah. It's 5 plus 1 plus 1.
Okay. Power? I forgot to mention. So this is using the... Hold on, Maisie. Hold on. Sit down, Papa. Sit down. Good girl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's jump in. Yeah, let's jump in. Quickly. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I did 8. I need to go to 9 and 10. And, oh, I should say, it's on at the moment. Who in at this. Okay, today's set do sound almost do have stage 4 because I'm out of breath trying to zoom through that. So you had to talk whilst I'm talking.
Yeah.
If you do